Somewhere in Time theme. 10 designs, 5 each per design. So let's take a look. It has more on green, brown, and more on green, brown, olive green, purple. This one. And then this one. This one. And then brown again. Brown again. And this one is maroon. Maroon. And then the blue one. Blue. And then, I'm sorry, kahiwa-hiwalay na. This one is the green, olive green. And the last design is this one. I love this one. I think this is one of the most unique color that not commonly used. So this is the Somewhere in Time 6x6 paper pack by All About Scrapbooking, and they say the owner of All About Scrapbooking is the same as the owner of the Hallmark paper. Here in the Philippines, it's cost 115 pesos, so it's very affordable and lots of unique designs. Thank you for watching, and see you for more videos of my paper pack. Bye!